कर्तृत्व भोक्तृत्व नियंत्रित्व विवर्जितं सकलागम संवेद्यं नित्यानंद गुरु.
I became all right. It took some 20 days for me to start walking normally in and around. So when I was able to walk, first thing I decided I will go to see him, to thank him. He has already told from which ashram he is. So I went there in search. It is a small place near on the banks of another one canal of Ganga. Same on the banks of Ganga, another one canal. I went there. He told me his name was Shankar Baba, Shankar Maharaj. Maharaj means sannyas. Maharaj means a sannyasi. And I went there and there was an old sadhu sitting, counting his beads. It was a noon time, so he has kept prasad, the nevedya for that, in the small, there was a small temple and nevedya. And he was sitting outside and counting his beads. I asked him, I wanted to meet this Shankar Maharaj. Looked up and said, Shankar Maharaj. No, there is nobody here. I told him, no, there is a young sadhu. He came and met me. He was taking care of me and he gave me food and all. And I wanted to see him. He said, no, there is no young sadhu here. In this ashram there is only one sadhu, that is me, nobody else. No young sadhu. I asked him, no, he gave this ashram address. This is the place, I know, this is the place. Tell me, I wanted to meet. He got irritated. And you know these old sadhus, when they get irritated, how they shout. He shouted at me and said, hey, there is no Shankar Baba here, I am telling you. There is only one Shankar Baba. If you want to see him, it's in the temple, show. He just showed me his hand. That deity was called as Shankar Maharaj. When I looked up, please understand, I am telling you the honest truth, I saw the same pen on the deity. We can always doubt, think, reason. It was same plate. The plate, because 3 to 4 days I ate in the plate. I know all the dents in that plate. I know the dent and the same name. Same name and the same plate. I asked that sadhu, who gave the pen to you? He again got irritated. Somebody brought it and put it in the temple. I put it on that Shiva and Shankar Baba. If you want, you take it and go. I don't know reading and writing. I said, I am not asking for that pen. You have any idea anybody took that pen? And no, nobody took that pen. Only somebody, I think he said, nobody took that pen. It's there. Somebody brought it and put it. It's there on the deity, and if you want, you take it and go. Then he said, he was sitting and counting beads. And he said, he put the prasad for the deity and he's sitting and counting the beads. He's telling, he told, few days before continuously the rat came and ate the food during the Nevedya time. So that is why I am sitting here now for security. Three, 4 days, every day I saw the rat was eating the food. That is why now I am sitting as security. I know which rat ate. See this. This incident can create thousands of questions. I had thousands of questions. I am not the guy who directly believes I thought, why should Shiva even needs a plate from an ashram. He doesn't need. He doesn't need it to appear with a pen. He doesn't need to have a plate. If he wants to give the food, he can directly appear and give food and disappear. Over. I had my own thousands of questions. One thing I know for sure, he just wanted to teach me Yogakshemam Vahamyaham. He gave me that understanding. Purposely he left few evidences. And let me be honest, I do not even know still now whether really Shiva gave me food or some sadhu came and gave me food. I do not know. But one thing I am sure, if Shiva himself gives me food, what love and trust and devotion he would have created in me, he created that in me. Because of that, I know he gave the food. What would have been the prasada? You see, if he has come and given the food, I would have had a deep trust on that statement, Yogakshemam Vahamyaham. I would have had the deep trust, the divine is taking care. He gave me that trust through this incident. That's all. That trust has happened in me through this incident. I do not know. Still, let me be very clear. I do not know whether Shiva gave me food or not, or some sadhu came and gave me food or not. I do not know. The evidences are proving the more possibility of some extraordinary intervention. That's all I am able to say. I do not know more than this, but somehow that strong, unshakable vidarka that I am looked after has entered into my system, has entered into my being. Understand? I do not know whether you will have this kind of some extraordinary events in your life to make you understand, to make you experience you are taken care. But as I experience the truth, I have the right to tell you, you will also be protected. Understand? I am not saying to tell this because I am telling this word I am an extraordinary powerful being or not. I am extraordinary person or I am an avatar Purusha, I am a mystic. No, I am not claiming all those words. I am not saying all those things. I can say one thing honestly, because I have been taken care, I have the right to say, you will also be taken care. I have the courage to say, you will also be taken care, just because of this one incident. Divine does not need to give me that confidence if there is no use through me. If he is given me that confidence means he is giving clear statement to whole world, to everybody. He is giving a clear statement. Please understand one more thing. Any energy, power lands with intelligence. Please understand. Any energy or power lands with intelligence. When a master happens, he expresses not only intelligence, he expresses power also, because power and intelligence comes together. Whoever follows it, his intelligence, are protected by that power. It's a law. If you follow Gita, Krishna's power is bound to protect you. It is not just intelligence. It is a energy also. Same way, understand, honestly, very clearly, I am telling you, drop all the fears, have courage, take the responsibility of unclutching. All you need is unclutch. You will see you are protected. You will see you are protected. And don't bother. You may think, no, I'll be protected in future, but what about all the mess I created in the past? Any initiation, any truth, when you start living, not only looks your future, it spreads into your past also. So, I am uttering these words. I am uttering these words. Clear understanding and responsibility, knowing the meaning of the words I am uttering. I am uttering. Please understand. Now the words I am saying, there is no hidden meaning behind. What you understand, that is the meaning. What you understand is the meaning. Don't think, oh, I think it's technically not right. No, there is no fine print. There is no fine print. I am telling you very clearly. All you need is just take the responsibility of unclutching. Even the mess you created in the past, even that chaos will disappear and you are taken care. So, understand the power of these words. Just take the responsibility of unclutching, nothing else. Have courage and unclutch. You will see you are taken care. As I myself experienced what I am talking, as the inheritor of all this great knowledge and tradition and values, as I represent this great Vedic tradition, the living enlightened masters tradition, I tell you very clearly, from my experience and authenticity, all you need is just unclutch. You are protected and blessed. Let you have this courage, energy, unclutch, and radiate enlightenment. Let you all be blessed and experience truth. Let you all achieve and radiate the eternal bliss. Understand? Simple unclutching, a courage to live unclutched life. That's all, nothing else. You will see your whole life becomes miracle. You will see the net is there. You will never fall. Even if you have the fear of falling, the net of Abhaya is there. You have heard this word from a person who experienced. You have heard it. Just because you are here and you heard this word from me, I am responsible for what I said. I am responsible for what I said. Understand? With this responsibility, I am uttering this word. Just because you have heard this word, it is truth for you. It will express itself as truth in your life. Because I have seen it is truth in my life, and whoever has heard this truth, it has become truth in their life also. With this, you will be protected and taken care. Just have the courage of living an unclutched life. Let you have courage and confidence to unclutch and live. Let you achieve and radiate Jivan Mukti, living enlightenment. Let you achieve and radiate the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you.